What up, people? Market looking kind of pale today. A couple billion have flowed into the market yesterday, and I guess beginning last night or early in the morning, this money started flowing right back out in the market. But these are the times we're in. Like just looking at the charts so based on BTC's trends in January in the first quarter of the last couple of years, it seems that this is actually pretty common in crypto. So I wouldn't really worry about it. Eventually, it's gonna uptrend again. A lot of new people still need to get into crypto. A lot of financial institutions are just rearing to go. They're just waiting on word from regulators and so on and so forth. And just a lot of effort is going into putting cryptos in a light where investors from different financial institutions can actually just start throwing their money into it. The market has a long way to go before it's fully mature. Not too long though. Probably maybe like we're probably like 30%, 20% of where the market lies on its road to being 100%, mature. But that's to come. We have lots of room to go, lots more potential, lots of new groundbreaking. I said break groundbreaking projects that have yet to be released yet. I'm pretty sure are gonna make crypto basically just that it. Crypto is where we're going. We're here. You know. Well, yeah, let's look at certain coins. As you guys know, honorable mention. I always check it out because Vibe is just the thing that I won't even lie. Vibe, I really got a good feeling behind the project once I got into it, and it's just one of those things that it had so much going for it already that you had no choice but to get into it. That's kind of the thing when you're faced with Vibe. It's kind of just like one of those things like, can I really just like it's in my face? Can I really just miss an opportunity like this? Vibe was that thing for me, and I got behind it, got to know the founders. That's one thing, guys. You have to learn that profits are cool. Don't get me wrong, profits are awesome, but a big part of the game is knowing how to hold. Like put it like this: when Vibe first came out, Vibe had went to like 12 cents, I believe, like 12, 11 cents. So many people dumped after that. So many people got out of it, and we were floating around kind of around the just above 2 cent mark to maybe around 3 cents for a while. Like this was going on for a while. People like you had the main crew, the people who believed in it from the beginning. Got into the project for the actual project, and then you got the people who took the quick profits and went elsewhere, went about their business. Now, if you put this into a perspective, the people who took their money and ran, and the people who held on, who do you think made more profit over the last 2 3 months? I'll be honest with you. Unless these guys just hit banger after banger after banger, which I'm not saying that's hard to do in crypto. As long as it has a lot of potential behind it, you can do that. But like it's the type of gains that Vibe is giving a lot of people, or a lot of the original ICO holders. Man, it's crazy. I see crazy like numbers that of Vibe that people hold inside of some of the chats for the people who are early adopters, and it's crazy. People are really making it big off Vibe. It's one of those things. Witnessing people that do that. And it's just that's just the thing. You have to have that mentality. Hold, 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 because if you got behind that project, you got behind it for a reason. Like if it's something that really like you really got behind, like you really believe in it, you're in the Telegram all the time, mentioning how to improve the project, or just giving your effort in any way, type, shape, or form, something that really inspires you to want to see it do good, then believe me, you should hold on to that because you found something that really spoke to your being, that spoke to your soul, spoke to your spirit, that said like I need to get behind this. It wasn't just like I heard about it for some quick flips or money. those are the projects you should stick behind, because in the end, they will treat you the best. They will always treat you the best. So I'm a big believer in holding. Kind of also trying to maybe start playing around with some day trading. I'm not like experienced or anything. I watch videos, a couple videos here and there, and it seems genuinely like not easy, but like a learning process that I feel like I'd be willing to go through. You know what I mean? Because from what I've seen, from other people who day trade, it seems like it seems like a good skill to pick up, essentially. So yeah, that's vibe. Let's check out NLC2. NLC2 was dropping a whole bunch of news. If you guys haven't been tuned in, you guys can come join the NLC2 Slack. Slack is going strong. NLC2 is one of the few coins that I'm aware of that is still going strong with their Slack channel. So that just kind of tells you about the kind of people that are around. They don't get all the fudders, the fishermen. You don't get a lot of those. Yeah, NLC2 had an all-time high right here. If you guys saw my other videos where I talk about NLC2, around 51 cents. Then we come over here around January 5th. It was the 5th. Damn near touched all-time highs all over again and broke past that. If we had remained on that breaking past the all-time high, we would have easily seen $1. If we had broken past the all-time high, we would have seen $1. That was honestly something that I know could have happened, but everything will do time. Let's check out other coins. Naga. See how Naga's doing. $1.93. Rank 176. Good healthy volume. Circulating supply low. Like people are sleeping on this. Like I actually saw somebody the other day who really just had the nerve to say that Naga itself was a scam. But everybody's entitled to their own opinion. But guys, like I say this all the time, I believe in what I invest in or what I take part of, what I actually put money into. What I actually put like money into, like something like I put money into it, and then I go back and think, damn, maybe I should put some more money into it. Something that makes me second guess the first time. Come on, like no brainer. Got really behind the interview. If you guys want to go check that out, the interview's a couple weeks ago. Naga interview with one of the founders. So yeah, it's a solid project. They already had kind of a placement. They already, not even a placement. They actually were being traded on the stock market in what was it? The Ukrainian stock market? I'm not sure, but the stock market of where the company is based in that area, like they got listed over there. Or was it the Swedish stock market? My memory's not the best right now, but you guys get the point. They already have a listing on the stock market. They're already trading openly. They had their successful IPO around 2 years ago. Company's been going strong, trading assets on the stock market. They're expanding into the gaming sector and allowing gamers to start trading digital assets in the games amongst each other, So they're actually opening the doors or the gateway for gamers to really like be able to make money off of one of their passions, because gamers don't really have that. They don't have that thing that they can do because they're so good at gaming that they can make money off of it. It's possible to do that, but those are like tournaments, competitions. It's not guaranteed. With this, they can actually make a living and an income. So it's cool. It's a really cool concept, and I really hope that they really take off. Even though I'm pretty confident that they're gonna do well, but just the side of me that's kind of like, it may not work. He really hopes that they do well. I'm talking like I have split personalities. But yeah, let's check out. What was the name of the coin? What was the name of the coin? Ethereum. Ethan dumped all the way down to 16 cents. I guess these ICO holders just couldn't hold on. They had to let it go because Ethan hit all time high of like 30, 40 cents. Yep, it was like 40 cents. Ethan had hit 40, well, damn near 40. Yeah, it did. It hit 40 exactly on the dot. No, 43 actually. Huh. Ethan had hit 43 cents. That's crazy. So yeah, you know that dump was coming. That was coming. Like, I expected this, but don't worry, Ethan's gonna bounce back. It's just a run up to the run down, like a trampoline, like I used to say, people. Run up to run down to jump up. Get ready for the big jump. It's coming soon. But yeah, the market just tends to be like this during, this time of the year. So watch, we're gonna touch all time highs. I'd say all time highs are probably gonna be hit around maybe like June, July, in that area. We're gonna be seeing highs that are like just like stupid, in my personal opinion. Maybe a month earlier, maybe in May, towards the middle of May, end of May, we're gonna see crazy all-time highs. But yeah, let's see another coin that I'm really just hoping becomes that thing. Hacking. We gotta say hacking because hacking is a lot going for it. A lot of people aren't too aware of hacking, I'm guessing, because I don't see them being talked about a lot, even though, John McAfee was an advisor for the project. You know, just the fact, like, cybersecurity with white hat hackers, come on, like, crypto is the type of space that needs this type of regulation. We need to see these things. We need to see these changes in the security of this space because it's a lot more decentralized. It's not even a lot more decentralized. It is decentralized, where there's no government backing or any insurance on your money to say if something happens, like, you can get it back. No, this is the wild wild west out here in crypto space, and if you get robbed, if you get your shit took, like, unless it was like a physical crime, like in real life, you know what I'm saying, like where somebody actually robbed you, then there's nothing else I could say. Like, in the digital world, everything goes, especially in a decentralized digital world. But yeah, hacking is definitely gonna explode. Crazy low circulating supply. Volume is not even all that high. Market cap is just waiting to explode. We're ranked 445, but watch. You guys gonna see hacking gonna be up there one day. Another project, Obsidian. Really looking forward to Obsidian. Really hoping that they drop their messenger for the iOS and the computer, the desktop soon, because man, they say they were supposed to drop it this month, so I'm expecting it to come out maybe later on in the month. Low circulating supply of 25 mil with a total at 92. Volume is 163. Market cap just waiting to explode. I know for a fact that when Obsidian does its thing and it moves, it's gonna move. Really, to be honest with you, I'm surprised Obsidian isn't trading on Binance already. Watch, when Obsidian gets on Binance, it's a wrap. Well, when most of these coins get on Binance, it's a wrap. They all are good. Like I'm saying, every coin I talk about has like actual value and has a product. Like, it works. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't mention stuff that's wishy-washy, and it's all the only physical evidence of the project is a white paper. You know, I don't invest in stuff like that. Maybe to make a profit, but I don't really talk about that stuff like that. I talk about like what I believe in on this channel. So if that's not what you guys are here for, you guys just want to hear about how you can make the next quick flip, I may make a mention of stuff like that here or there, like long pause in between, because it's not really often that I do that, so yeah. Obsidian. What's the next one? The next one, Kitcoin. I feel like Kitcoin is going to do extremely well. Kitcoin at 8 cents, I feel like Kitcoin is going to have a bright future, especially if it gets picked up. I mean, it's a kickstart foundation basically for ICOs. Come on. If they get picked up by a big name company, it's a wrap. People be getting free kit coins. I guess they be selling them or using them for whatever. But I'm holding on to these things. I'm holding on to them. You never know what can happen in the future. Um, what is next? Golem. Love me some Golem. Really, really looking forward to the future because I feel like Golem is gonna be one of those coins that just takes off in the future. Like people aren't gonna see it coming when Golem slaps them. See, Golem already kind of started doing his thing when it broke a dollar. It broke a dollar. Now we're back down low, like 60 cents area. But Golem was touching $1.13, a dollar and whatnot. Like Golem was, come on. And then look at the type of project it is. This should be on everybody's list. Somebody should be. You should be holding some type of Golem in your portfolio. That's just how I view it. But c'est la vie. To each their own. Live and let love. Um, I think I talked about everything I'm looking at right now. Oh yeah, Cabin Hood. Cabin Hood is another project that I haven't gotten into yet, but I plan on doing it. I keep saying that every day, and watch, it's just gonna explode back up past the dollar again, and I'm gonna just be looking like, oh, I can't believe it. Don't do that, guys. Don't be a CG. Don't be a CG. Let me see. Cabin Hood. There's a couple more honorable mentions, but I'm not trying to make this too long, everybody. Oh, that's it. Peace. I'm out.